Okay, so hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal a reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed. Also, third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of December, and this is valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the universe, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the website and you can book your slots accordingly. So, let's start. Gemini, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, someone sees you as a very independent and focused person on yourself. It's like you are focused on yourself, your money, your job, your career, and someone is getting impressed by the idea of you being so focused on yourself, right? Let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles. And they might be feeling like you are single, you are available, and you have other admirers as well. That kind of energy. Let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles. We have the Queen of Cups, the Tower, and the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Someone is feeling extremely in this energy of I should connect with Gemini. I should offer Gemini something. It could be a totally new person, new energy who is admiring you, who is liking you, who is kind of falling in love with you slowly, and they feel like they should come forward towards you with some kind of offer, with some kind of this energy of oh my god, I should be with Gemini because they are doing well in their life. They are focused on themselves, they are independent, they are good looking, everything is good. Let me just go towards Gemini with some kind of offer. So someone is falling in love with you here. I feel this is a new energy. Let me see. As we proceed, we will understand. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Three of Swords. You are quite heartbroken right now. You are on your healing journey right now at this present moment, and you are feeling like you should just take your time, not to like hurry or not to get involved too much in anything right now. hmm Let me clarify the Three of Swords. You're still hurt by something or someone, and you're just on the process of healing yourself properly. Yeah, you feel like you're stressed out, you are not able to sleep at night thinking about everything whatever happened like recently, right? But you feel like you should pretend that everything is okay, you got your life sorted and you are happy. So you feel like a happy exterior and messed up interior, and you feel like you should just properly heal yourself in order to attract the right kind of person, right kind of energy, and or in order to get involved again you have to heal yourself properly. This is what you're feeling. But at the same time, you feel like you should not be vulnerable in front of anybody. You should not even tell anybody what you're going through and everything like that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Page of Wands. Their intention is to initiate a connection between you and them. Have casual kind of connection, going on dates, have fun with you, and get to know you better kind of a deal. Let me clarify the Page of Wands. We have the Ten of Cups and Seven of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, it's like they don't want to overwhelm you with this kind of energy of okay, let's get married, or let's have a future together, or let's get committed. They want to wait for the time and they will be able to give you that kind of commitment. But as of now, this person wants to keep it casual, keep it on a friendship level, so that they can get to know you better and so that you can get to know them better. It's like this is somebody around you who is highly attracted to the idea of being with you and get to know you better before they are going to say anything more or do anything more in this direction. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool energy. But you seem to be quite closed off right now. Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini. Two of Cups. See, you want a beautiful soulmate kind of a dynamic whenever you want it. Right now, you might not be prepared for that kind of dynamic, but you know what you want. And you want something solid, something beautiful, something heartfelt. Let me clarify the Two of Cups here. We have the Nine of Cups, the Star card, and the Eight of Swords. See, right now you just want to be focused on your own happiness. You just want to heal yourself properly, and you want to come out of this mental jail that you have created for yourself from quite a long time now in your love and relationship area. So basically, you want to be free from every kind of a negativity or foundations that you have created for yourself because of the experiences, because of everything that you have gone through, and you want to attract the right kind of person, right kind of energy towards you in a beautiful way. Till that point, you just want to be happy with yourself. That's really cool. Very clean energies from your side, Gemini, very clean and clear cut energies. Let's see the outcome. What is coming towards it till the 29th of December? What could be the possible outcome here? We have the Seven of Cups. Lots of options, lots of things to accomplish, lots of emotional confusion too happens with all of us. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Temperance. See, I do see you being very independent, maybe a little bit hyper independent, super focused on yourself, your money, job, career, your own goals, fitness goals, maybe, or other goals, personality development goals, and using your wisdom and experience to not to say yes or not to get involved in anything right now because you are not ready. But at the same time, you're going to have a lot of confusion as well, because maybe at least two people or two energies might be showing interest in you, and or you're feeling very attracted to the idea of being with someone. At the same time, you're not ready. So I do see a little bit of emotional confusion, but for the most part, you're going to be very stable, very clear cut, very much in the patient kind of energy about what you really want, and how you really want it. And I do see you being very patient, very much in this energy of wisdom and experience and knowledge, that this is how it is going to be and this is what I want. Basically, going through the energy of spiritual growth and understanding your own patterns and energies, and attracting those kind of energies towards yourself naturally. Very good. Guidance, Seven of Wands. Okay, keep yourself protected until unless you're 100%, 1000% ready to open up and be vulnerable in front of other people, whether it's romantic and or whether it's just a friendship kind of a deal, doesn't matter, right? So keep yourself protected, keep yourself in the energy bubble of protection until unless you feel like you should open up. Take your time. There's no rush, there's no hurry. Don't do something under pressure of anybody else. Okay, it's your life, you should decide. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.